the reason why I love Aldi so much. All of this was $20.30. I only went in there for things for Josiah's lunch and to make spaghetti for them. So barbecue chips, I'm going to put them in little baggies because the big people will get after them, as well as the graham crackers, cinnamon. I got those for his lunch. So the barbecue chips were $1.19. They used to be like 89 cents, or I think it's seasonal. Sometimes in the summertime it's cheaper. The graham crackers are 89 cents. The cheese and garlic croutons, I have a big tub of salad mix, and I like to get that at Walmart or Target, or not Target, Walmart. Well, I guess the Target got it, but Walmart or Aldi, and I just make a quick salad, whatever I want to put on it, and that's my lunch or soup. These little tomato sauce cans, they are $1.25. I may be ashy, y'all. I just washed my hands. And not $1.25, they're 25 cents. They're a quarter. Some cashews, these are $1.39. Sometimes they go up and down, the sweet and salty, and I put these in his lunch. I eat them too, but not much. Try not, because I think they're quite up there in points. This is his favorite. These are $2.29, the mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. The cheese ones are good too. I try not to get those because I tend to want to eat those. The 100% juice. So 6-pack of juice. These are good. These are $1.99. I don't drink those, but they are good. The spaghetti, I was gonna get the whole grain, but I didn't today. This is $1.29. Let's see, the diced tomatoes, these basil, garlic, and oregano is 45 cents. The turkey kielbasa, this was $2.39, but Mama got this for me, so I didn't pay for that. And she got that, and that's a quick and easy meal. She was saying like for breakfast. The other day I went to Walmart. I didn't haul those items, but let me show you. It's all wrinkly. Let's see. So I just threw it in there. But the pepper and onion blend from Walmart, it's $2.29 for this, or $2.23, something like that. And you get quite much in here. So if you don't feel like cutting, which I don't mind cutting at all, so I usually don't buy stuff like this, but it has the red pepper in it, and this is a quick and easy way to make fajitas. If you want to make some kind of stir fry, if you want to make something for breakfast and maybe only pick out the green peppers, well, I guess you can use all of it. The green peppers and the onions. So that's something that you can, that's really good for like you're on, even if you're not on a diet, you know, something you can make really quick. So that's what I'll group that with, and that'll probably be just for myself. Make sure I have to hide it because people will get it in my house. The crushed tomatoes, this is 79 cents. I was going to say 69 cents, and I make my sauce now with this, and I get 2 of these. Sometimes I'll still get the tomato spaghetti sauce, and Aldi does carry a larger one of these for $6.99, but I like to mix the ground turkey, which this is $3.99, and some Italian sausage. I got the hot today. They have, I think, mild, maybe sweet Italian, I can't remember, but this is the hot sausage, and this is $2.99. So all of that minus the kielbasa was $20.30. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I'm trying to cook stuff that is already in my pantry, already in my freezer, and trying to, yeah, pantry in my freezer without going to the grocery store. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this first so you guys can understand what I'm doing. I do have a lot of other hauls that I didn't get a chance to film. So it does have some, not film, but edit and upload. So it does have some non-food items in there that they may still be at your store. They may not. I'm not sure, but I know at my store they long gone. They're long gone. Like the convection induction, I don't remember what it is, y'all. You'll see it in the thing. It's a cooktop. I talk about that, and then it is also like some stuff I got for Saya and stuff like that. So I'm going to snip it, bypass all the extra talking, and group them together so you guys can see those. So if you're wondering like, where's Hope's Aldi hauls? And then I've been going to Walmart too, because I don't know, it's just I'm already in there for something else, and I've been in there because the other lady that always sees me, because I go in there so much, they know me, and she even said Happy New Year because I haven't been in a while. I haven't even been in there since Christmas. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is a very small haul, but we're trying to start it off right and watch these calories, watch these points, and get this ball rolling. Bye bye, y'all. Oh, but let me add this in there because I'm trying to cook what's in my pantry for my boys, and trying to eat a certain way for myself. So even though they're gonna eat what I eat, but not necessarily like they had the blackened fish and stuff like that the other day. So when Mom and we went to Big Lots and we went to Aldi today, I made sure, it was so tempting to stop. My little protein shake right here is separating now, but I drank at least half of it, and I had the whey protein, almond milk, and I also had a couple of frozen strawberries because I don't know how many Weight Watcher points, and I have my water. So I have my water tumbler and everything. And this is Peyton from Gold Mining Cocoa. I'll make sure I put her link down below. You can get a percentage off if you want that same tumbler, if she still has it. But y'all, anyway, let me make this food. All right, bye for real this time.